Sir, in the last videos, we covered very clearly about floating point literals and Boolean literals. Now let me go for the next thing, char literals. Very important concept. Sir, how you can represent char literal? Okay, just observe. So there are multiple ways are there to specify char literal. To provide char constant value, there are multiple ways are there, sir. The first way, sir, single character. Have you observed? Very important, sir. Single character within single quotes. Single character within single quotes. Okay, like, sir, observe. Char ch is equal to a. I'm taking char ch is equal to a. So here have you observed, right? Single character within single quote. Is it valid or not? Yes, perfectly itself is valid. Now by mistake, if I'm taking like this, char ch is equal to a, sir, single quotes are not there, then it is treated as variable. There is no such type of variable. Immediately compile time error you are going to get. Just observe that. So it is invalid. So single character within single quotes must be required. Remember. Next, char ch is equal to, instead of single quotes, I'm taking double quotes. Instead of single quote, double quotes I'm taking. Then compiler will give left and right. Array, double quotes means string. How you can assign string to char? Sir, do you know incompatible types? String cannot be converted to char. Like, you will get an error. Next, char ch is equal to, within single quote, sir, a, b, like this I'm taking, sir. So within single quotes, multiple characters I'm taking. Immediately compile time error we are going to get, because after a we have to close that single quote. Why you are taking this b? Okay, unclosed char literal, like you will get compile time error, right? So here two things are very important. Single character within single quotes must be required. Next, char ch is equal to, here single quote a, within single quote b I'm taking. Okay, within single quote a, within single quote b, invalid, right? Okay, so the first way to specify char literal, yes, single character within single quotes. Okay, by mistake if you are taking double quotes or char single quotes are missing, or otherwise multiple characters, immediately compile time error we are going to get. But in other languages like do you know Python, JavaScript, next shell scripting, char data type is not there. Everything is treated as string only. So there single quotes and double quotes interchangeably we can use, but not in Java. Remember, right? Sir, let me show these invalid cases so that you people will get much clarity, right? Observe a bit carefully. Here I'm trying to take, just observe that. Observe here. Just here my requirement is char ch. Char ch is equal to, here just let me take within single quote a SOP of ch. Char ch is equal to within single quote a SOP of ch. Now observe that what is the answer we are going to get. Perfectly itself is valid, sir. Have you observed? Valid. Now single quotes are missing. I'm not taking single quotes. Now what will happen is, have you observed? Cannot find symbol. Char ch is a. Sir, a is treated as variable. There is no such type of variable. That's why compile time error you are going to get. Next, instead of single quotes, double quotes by mistake we are taking. It is invalid. What is the reason? You know already, right? Now observe that. Okay, incompatible type string cannot be converted to char. Remember, right? Next, here I'm taking, sir, within single quotes, multiple characters if I can take, unclosed char literal, like you are going to get compile time error. Unclosed character literal, like compile time error you are going to get. Okay, like next sir, single quote A, single quote B I'm taking, sir. It's a meaningless. Now observe that immediately semicolon expected, but not this one, like compile time error you are going to get. I hope it is clear for all of you, right? So how to represent char literal first way, single character within single quotes, clear, right? Next there is a second way is there, sir. Now observe that, have you remember, for every character Unicode value is there. Java is Unicode based. Remember this one, Java is what? Unicode based, sir. Sir, in C language, C++, these are ASCII based. Okay, ASCII based, but Java is Unicode based. Unicode based. Okay, like sir, worldwide all general speaking languages are going to be covered under Unicode, but ASCII based covers only English alphabet symbols, right? Sir, do you know what are ASCII code values? Do you know 0 to 255? ASCII code value 0 to 255. What about Unicode values, right? Unicode values are 0 to 65,535. Okay, because it has to cover huge number of characters. So Telugu language it has to cover, Hindi language it has to cover, English it has to cover, Chinese language, Japanese language, like sir, all languages it is going to cover Java. That's why 0 to 65,535. Okay, this is the range of char. Okay, like now, so for the first 0 to 255, okay, Unicode values same as ASCII code values only. Remember that. So until 0 to 255, Unicode or ASCII code, both the things are always the same. You should aware. Next, A is there. Sir, small a is there. What is the ASCII value? Or what is the Unicode value? ASCII value or Unicode is 97. Small a means 97. Capital A means 65. I hope you may aware. Small b means 98. Capital B means 66. Okay, like you people should aware, right? Now the next important point here, observe. So we can represent char literal as integral literal. We can represent char literal as integral literal, which represents Unicode value. Are getting, which represents Unicode value. Okay, so you can represent char literal as integral literal, no problem at all. So which represents Unicode value, you know. Okay, like sir, now as it is integral literal, you can specify in any form, because integral literal we can specify in 4 forms, either decimal or octal or hexadecimal or binary, no problem at all. Are you getting? In any form you can specify, itself is acceptable. Okay, like now observe carefully, char ch is equal to 97. Okay, now 97 related character is A, that A will be stored inside this CH. Are you getting? 97 related character is A, that A will be stored inside this char. Okay, like sir, now if you want, you can print SOP of CH. A is the answer by default you are going to get. What are the answers, sir? A itself is the answer. Clear for all of you, right? Next, this 97 you can represent in any acceptable form. Either means either decimal or octal or hexadecimal or binary, any style you can take. But allowed range is 0 to 65,535 only. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. 0 to 65,535 only, because this is the range of Unicode values, right? Sir, similarly, I want to take char ch is equal to 0x of face. Is it valid or not? Yes, why not? Itself is valid. 0x phase. 0x phase. If you want, its value is 64,206. 64,206 related character will be represented here. Char CH. Similarly, char CH is equal to 65,535. Valid. No problem. 65,535 related character will be represented by CH. Suppose I am taking char CH is equal to 65,536. Okay, what is the answer? What is the value I am taking? 65,536. Compiler will give left and right. 65,536 is the not in the range of char. Immediately compile time error we are going to get. So this is second way how to represent char literal. I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? So we can represent char literal as integral literal, which represents a Unicode value of that character. Next, integral literal can be specified either in decimal form, octal form, or hexadecimal form, or binary form. No problem at all. Next, allowed range of values is 0 to 65,535. Clear, right? Next, char CH is equal to 97. Like, let me show here, and one small twist is also there. That part I will show. Observe carefully, right? Here I am taking char CH is equal to 97. 97. Observe carefully. Char CH is equal to 97. SOP of CH I am taking, sir. What is the answer we are getting? Have you observed? If I run this one, A itself is the answer. Char CH is equal to 97. 97. SOP of CH means A itself is the answer, right? Okay, like. Now char CH is equal to 98. No problem at all. Yes, the corresponding character B we are going to get. Okay, char CH is equal to 65. Then which one is the corresponding character? Capital A itself is the corresponding character. Are you getting right? It's a very clear for you people, right? Next, sir, char CH is equal to 0x phase. Yes, valid, no problem at all. You never going to face any problem at all. Acceptable. Next, char CH is equal to 65,535. Yes, acceptable. We are not seeing any problem. But char CH is equal to 65,536. What is the answer we are getting, sir? Incompatible type. Possible lossy conversion from into to char. From into to char, like we are going to get the error. Is it clear for all of you, right? Sir, that's all. This is how you can represent char literal. Char literal can be represented as integral literal, which represents Unicode value, right? But here one small thing I have to explain. What's my doubt is, take very special care. If I print, sir, char CH is equal to 0x phase. Valid. If I print SOP of CH, what I will get? What I will get? The corresponding character I have to get. Okay. Char CH is equal to 65,535. System.out.println of CH. What the answer I will get? Now the corresponding character I will get. I am sure the corresponding character you are going to get. But here one small twist is there. These corresponding characters may represent some Arabic symbol, maybe Chinese symbol, maybe Japanese symbol, or maybe Telugu symbol, we don't know. So if you are trying to print these values, compulsory that the font is already available in your system. If that font is not there, then it is going to just simply raise our favorite symbol question mark. Are you getting that? Question mark. If you are getting output as the question mark, don't feel that, boss, the corresponding character is the question mark. That font is not there in your system. Remember carefully. Sir, have a look once. Sir, I am taking char CH is equal to 0x phase I am taking. So what is the corresponding character? Ray, what is the corresponding character? Now the code compiles fine. If you are trying to print, what the answer I got? Question mark symbol I got. Next, 65. Here just observe that 65,535. What is the answer we are going to get? Question mark is the answer, sir. Remember this one, question mark itself is the answer. Okay, like don't feel question mark is the corresponding character because that font is not there in my system. But here one more small, sir, really question mark is also one character. What is the Unicode value of that character? Regarding what is the Unicode value of that character? Unicode value of the question mark is 63. Remember this, 63 is the question mark, 64 is the @ symbol, 65 is the capital A, 63 is the Unicode value of question mark symbol. Now observe, where is the proof? Char CH is equal to 63 I am taking. SOP of CH, SOP of CH. What is the answer we are going to get? Yes, here just observe that, sir, question mark symbol. Yes, 63 itself is a Unicode value of sir, question mark symbol. If you want, sir, I'm not sure, sir, it is. So can you please show in another way? Sir, very simple, very simple. Sir, I'm trying to take int, sir, here question mark symbol I'm taking. Sir, can you please observe what I am doing? Okay, what I'm trying to take, what I'm trying to do, sir. This question mark, can you please typecast to int type and print that int value? Whenever we are trying to typecast character to int type, then the corresponding Unicode value we are going to get. What is the Unicode value of char? What is the Unicode value of this question mark symbol? Now observe that we are not getting any error. Yes, 63, that's all. So if you are getting question mark, don't feel that Unicode is always associated with the question mark, but for 63 Unicode, question mark is the valid, but remaining cases still you are getting question mark means what is the meaning? What is the meaning of that is very important, sir. That font is not there in our system. Any doubt? Clear for all of you? This is, sir, I am very much interested to know which is the Unicode value for my Telugu alphabet symbol, for Hindi alphabet symbol. If you want to aware, there is one website is there, unicode.org. Regarding, there is one website is there, unicode.org website. There you can check all languages including your local language. Unicode values by default will be there. Clear? Up to this, any doubt?